Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check the balance of an Amazon gift card without redeeming. All right, let's begin. Start by opening the Amazon app or visiting Amazon.com in a browser. Tap the three lines at the bottom right and select Account from the Shortcuts menu. On the Account page, scroll down and tap Manage Gift Card Balance under the Payments section. Here, you'll see options like redeeming a gift card, reloading your balance, or enabling auto reload. However, if you tap Redeem a gift card, you'll notice that entering or scanning a claim code will immediately apply the balance to your account. Unfortunately, Amazon does not let you view the balance without redeeming the card. To check the balance without applying it, you'll need to contact Amazon support. You can call their customer service at 1-888-280-4331. Alternatively, go to customer service in the app or website, search for the telephone number, and start a live chat. Let them know you want to check a gift card balance without redeeming it, and they can help. This method requires sharing the gift card number with a representative, which isn't ideal, but it's currently the only way to do it without adding the card to your account. So that's basically how you can check the balance of an Amazon gift card without redeeming. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.